Ask tech investor Eric Jackson of EMJ. He happens to be right here on set with me. You picked a good day to come to the floor of the stock exchange. So people are saying this rally has some legs. How much is really riding on this week with the next 3 days of big earnings?
It's huge. I mean, we saw the shot in the arm that Netflix gave the market a couple of weeks ago, Scott. And so I expect nothing less for this week. Obviously, the tenor of the market has changed in the last week. And so we've gone from like max pessimism to today was just a body blow in the morning, followed by this steady grind higher, despite all the bad news coming out of China and China tech, all the bad news coming out of the UK. So it seems a much more resilient market going into the second half of this month than the first half.
Have you turned more optimistic yourself?
I think you can't help but be optimistic. I'm optimistic by nature, Scott. But, you know, you take a step back.
Be realistic, too, though, Eric.
You got to take a step back and you got to say, where are we with this? You know, obviously the June to August rally was a head fake, but we've held the lows of May and June for most tech stocks. Are we going lower? On a day like today, in the face of the bad news, I think there's a lot of resilience there, and I think we can press higher from here.
So people know you for being an investor in tech. That's what we call you, tech investor, and yet you don't own any of these mega cap tech stocks. Why?
For me, I'm more interested after this huge drawdown in tech, especially for the growth tech that's been over a year and a half now of a drawdown, in the what's been left over, the carcasses that are going to by the side of the road that many have left for dead, but some of which have life in them and are going to bounce back. But they're not just going to bounce back 10%, 15%. Some of these names have the chance to triple, to double over the next 6 months, especially if there's a sustained market rally. And I want to be exposed to those. As good as the big techs are, they're not doubling or tripling.
Well, let's talk about the big techs, because you can give us a fully unbiased opinion of all of them since you don't own them.
Right.
Who do you think you should be most confident about coming into the next 3 days?
I think Apple. Apple's the class of tech. Apple and Tesla have done the best for most of this year. Tesla's fallen off a cliff in the last week and a half or so since earnings, but Apple has stood strong. Obviously we got some reports, which we often do. It's almost an annual event. Usually out of Asia, we get these supply chain reports. Apple's cutting back on the supply chain. I find often that it's sort of like the blind man feeling parts of the elephant, trying to make a conclusion about how that earnings are going to go, and then Apple ends up surprising. We got reports today that Apple was raising prices for a lot of its services, which could be baked into next quarter's guidance. So I think they're the strongest, and after that, I'd say Google next. Google is no Snap, and then as we get into Amazon and definitely
Where's
Meta.
Microsoft? Where's Microsoft in that mix? I'm very surprised that you haven't said that name yet, because when I ask others, such as the entire investment committee that I've seen for the last couple of days posing the same question to from our halftime report, it's Microsoft. All across the board, most optimistic about.
I'd put Microsoft after Google, after Apple, ahead of Amazon, ahead of a Meta. They're the class of enterprise software. But enterprise software has been a bear over these last few weeks and months. A lot of SaaS names have really been trashed just in the last few weeks, and Microsoft's been affected by that. They're a great company, but when cloud gets tossed aside, Microsoft goes with it. So I think they have a chance to have a good quarter. It's just, I'd put them in the middle of all the big techs.